Hello again, my name is Ashton. I am the head farmer and chief of ops of Babylon Vertical Farms. We're here today in the Garage KL for episode 3 of Cooking with Farmers. Okay, so today we'll be making summer rolls. We have two options for you today. One is with smoked salmon and one is a vegetarian option. So here is our ingredients. Our main ingredients today will be Daikon Microgreens. So we harvested for you because it's a little bit hard to handle. It's really big. So we made it nice. You cut it off, snip it, put it in a bowl, and look at it, beautiful. Alright, second star of the show is of course our familiar Kale Microgreens. And then for the summer rolls, we got a mixture of herbs. Inside here we have Thai basil, coriander, and mint. And then we got julienne cucumbers. We julienned it for you, else it would take too long. Julienne carrots. Some hard-boiled eggs. And we have our protein here, which is smoked salmon from Bangsa Smokehouse. We chose as Asian spices, a dish flavor because summer rolls are Asian. It's Vietnamese to be precise. We have avocado for some healthy fats over here. And of course, you can't have summer rolls without Vietnamese rice paper for our wrapping. Alright, so summer rolls are really easy to make. All you need is it's just basically assembling. So we're going to start with wrapping avocado. We're going to cut it first. So first things first, you see there's a little button over here. Take your knife, try it through until it stops at the seed. Then I want you to run your knife around the avocado like this until it gets all the way to the end. Okay, put it down, twist, get it open like this. So now, be careful with removing the seed. You're going to take your knife, hold it, and up, like that, right? So, how to cut the avocado? Take your knife, careful not. I've seen a lot of accidents with avocados. People have stabbed their hands, cut their fingers. So be very, very careful. So back here, take your knife, run it through until you feel the skin. Cut into slits like this. So just run it through like this. Then from here, take your spoon, dig it to the sides, all around. See, it comes out in nice, beautiful slices like this. Scoop it up. Get all this sliced avocado. Alright, so the reason why we're doing summer rolls today is because it's healthy. We want to do clean eating for a change. For people who want a low carb diet, this is the best way to do it. So you got your fats from the avocado, you got your protein from the eggs, smoked salmon. If you want a vegan option, you can go with tofu, stir-fried tofu, or even fried tempeh, that's fine. So we can get our eggs over here, just cut them very nice and thin. One. So you want to cut them as small as we can because it will make it easier for us to assemble the whole summer wrap, the summer roll, sorry. Okay. So now we're going to get our rice paper. It should look something like this, Right, so you take it in. This is a very careful technique. You don't want to dip it too long. If you dip it too long, it will break up, It will break up, disintegrate, and then you have a huge, wet, gooey mess on your hands. So from here, just put it up here, just rotate really fast, really quick. Rotate. Wrap it around. Eventually, this will absorb all the water and it becomes really, really soft. Do one more time if you like it softer. Okay, this should be good. So once that's that, take your rice paper, put it right down here on your working board. Okay. Now you're gonna start with assembling. The key thing to this is to not overstuff your summer rolls. So take a bit of carrot, right here. Take a bit of cucumbers, as much as you like. Yeah, this will be the base, and this will add the texture and all that. So cucumbers and carrots are really nutritious. Some mint, some basil, some coriander right here. Then a couple of avocados, some eggs. Oopsie, that dropped there. I might just arrange them nicely. So from here, get a bit of Daikon Microgreens, slowly, carefully. Okay, lay it down. Get your scissors, cut a bit of Kale Microgreens. Right here. Just spread gently on top. Now from here, from here, very careful. Pick it up, and press it down here. Okay. From here, pick up the sides, fold it in like an envelope like this. Now you're gonna roll it. So here, just carefully roll it. See, if it's overstuffed, it becomes a little bit too hard. See, this extras over here, just cut it off. Close it. So, the first summer roll right here. Vegetarian summer roll with egg. So we're gonna continue. We're gonna do like maybe another 3 or 4 more before we move on to the non-vegetarian option. Right? Alright, so now we're gonna get to our other one, which is the smoked salmon one. So first things first, assemble your salmon. So assemble your salmon right here. The avocado. Okay. Some cucumber. Some carrots. Okay. So since we're using smoked salmon, you can skip the Asian herbs, you don't really need it. Because Asian herbs and smoked salmon, they don't really go together. But that means you can be a little bit more generous with the Daikon Microgreens. So you take some Daikon Microgreens, put it right here. Scissors, get your Kale Microgreens out. And spread it all out. Like this. Here, same thing as always. Pick it up. Tuck the sides. Tuck this side and roll through. And this is it. We got all our wraps over here. And I advise you to eat it with some hoisin sauce or chili sauce, Thai chili sauce to be precise. So that's it for it today. Here's our summer rolls.